Since you mentioned Mr. India, I've spoken to Boni. I've spoken to Anil was here 2 days ago, and he spoke about how Peter Pereira and Peter Pereira was, I think, the cinematographer, of the film, and because they did the effects in camera,
he did the effects,
and Viruji. I mean, they were the two, because at that time you didn't have CGI, you didn't have special effects, so it was done in camera, and these two were the backbone. Boni actually has spoken about how this film could not have been made without
them.
These two. Did he ever speak to you? Did Virudevan speak to you about Mr.
Yeah,
India?
because those were the days, like after 2 years or 3 years, we started working.
Right.
And so we used to ask him that how you all did this and how you all did that, and that's how we learned everything from them.
Right. Okay. If we've got that clip of Mr. India, do we have that clip? Can we see?
तुम इस देश के नए भगवान बनने वाले हो, हाँ? नो! तुम भगवान नहीं, शैतान हो, डागा। नहीं, शैतान हो, गद्दार हो।
Okay. You know, it's easy to laugh at this today and say, oh, it looks very camp. But just watching that in the theater, having never seen something like this before, you know, today perhaps it's hard to explain that feeling of seeing it at that time, because we've seen effects, but this was done without effects. How did they achieve this? I mean, what was the trick?
So here there is a cable hanging, and it's shot against white so that you can't see the cable, and the cable is in white in color.
Oh, wow.
And then they mask it.
Oh, wow.
So
Because
it's done by
today you
lighting.
put green screen and you delete it,
And there's a big boom road which is taking the murti
and
it's
how
traveling.
many people, many people holding that boom.
Many people. And few shots where there used to be a Peter Pereira, the
Right.
cameraman you're talking
Right,
about.
yeah.
We used to rewind the negative. So like if you're shooting this, we used to put this is the frame, put a black paper on it. So this doesn't get exposed.
Right.
We shoot the Hanuman, go back, exactly that many frames you have to rewind, and then just shoot this part.
But Rohit, they had to have learned this on the job, right?
Yeah.
Because there was no one to teach you.
Nothing.
This had never been done before
No.
in Hindi
on
films
job,
at
yeah,
least.
on job. Like we had Fali Mistry and many other cameramans doing all this since black and white days.
Right. But most of them learned it on the job.
On the job, yeah.
Wow. There had to be a discussion.
A lot of discussions, and even the cameraman. I think Baba Azmi is the cameraman.
Baba
Peter
Azmi is the
Pereira
cameraman.
used to do the special effects work for them.
Right.
Means do the masking part.
Right.
So, and there used to be a special camera called Mitchell camera,
Right.
which had those reels which you could rewind
Right.
and play it again.
Rohit, what makes, I'm going back to that question. What makes, what makes this worth it? I mean, the amount of work.
The appreciation from the audience, nothing
Right.
else. At the end of the day, that's what we need.
Right.
Nothing else. Nothing else matters.
And you say that even for your own team that you see.
Yeah. It's only appreciation, like when you're in the theater, people laughing, clapping, enjoying,
Right.
kids coming and talking about it, that gives you a high. I think that is the biggest achievement.
Correct.
You learn money, you learn awards, but that interaction with the audience, once they have seen the film, the spark in their eyes, especially the kids getting happy, that is something, that experience is something else. We die for that.
Right.
And we do it for that.
And did you see that was what drove Viru Devganji as well?
Yeah. For any technician for that matter. For
Right.
any technician.
Right. I'm going to kind of, juxtapose it to what you do. I mean, the first time you made the cars fly, I mean, it's become now your signature. Now it's like you can't escape that, right? Now it's something it's become your albatross also. It's the greatest thing you do, and it's also one of those things that everyone's gadiya todengi. But do you remember the first time you thought of that and the first time you said it to someone else? Because I would imagine the first time that if I heard it and I was a producer, I was a director, I'd say that sounds ridiculous, Rohit. I mean,
No, but see what happened. I don't know why I became famous. It's been happening since the 50s and 60s.
but not in this
My
way.
dad,
That was this way. But in your sense, it was a spectacle. It became like an item.
Yeah, I became more mad. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know.
And the
it
cars
started-
became more and more expensive also.
I think first 2-3 films I did, and then kids started coming. I do television, so obviously they know that who Rohit Shetty
Yeah,
is.
yeah.
That's a good thing. That's a bad thing also. If they don't like my work, they'll catch
know
me.
what you look like.
So, but the kids used to come and they were like, oh, parents used to come, oh, my son likes, or my daughter likes your film, my son is like crazy about your stunts. So that's what started me doing it again and again, for that matter, I would say, okay, now, and it's become a brand, like, and then it became too much. Like, I make a film for 2.5 hours, the sequence is for 4 minutes, but
That's what they remember.
they write only that.
And do you feel that for all action directors, I mean, even Viruji, I mean, yourself, do you feel that there is a pressure to keep raising it?
It is. It is today, especially today, because those days we were not exposed. Like, if I talk about Bombay, like there was theaters in town. You used to see an English film in theater,
Right.
and come back. But today we have Netflix, we have Amazon.
Right.
Like I was telling in an interview outside, like my nephews, they're 2 years old, twins, and they know about Hulk. They know all the Avenger superheroes. So
Right.
the world is changing.
Right.
And still today, I feel we are not able to achieve what they do, and the reason behind it is budgets.
Right.
We don't have that kind of a budget. We do have technicians, and the world has become small. Like,
Yeah.
for my action sequences now, if I need to do a car drift or something, I call my Fear Factor team. They come. Like, in 2 days they're here. They'll do the stunt and
I
go.
want to understand that, Rohit. We find so many, like, today, you've said there are the greatest technicians who we have working in India today, and yet I frequently, and I'm asking out of curiosity, not for any other reason, why do we rely, frequently I find that, you look at the credits of a film and you find that there's a foreign technician. What are they bringing?
Rajesh, because there's culture over there to get trained.
Right.
Like, there are grounds available. Like, when I was in Cape Town, you can learn car drifting. In America, you can learn car drifting. The culture is there. We don't have that kind of a culture. Obviously, we are a country which is growing. We can't blame anyone. It will take time. There is a culture where you can learn stunts. There are schools where you can learn all these things. Skydiving, or for that matter, any other kind of a stunt. We don't have all those things. Like, I did a sequence in Bangkok with the team over there for Suryavanshi. So they have a huge setup where you can do your rehearsals and everything. We
Right.
don't have those kinds of budgets.
Okay. I want to talk about another sequence that that Viruji did. This was in Roop Ki Rani Choroka Raja. And it's funny because that was a film that actually didn't do well at all. But the only thing that people remember in that film is the train sequence. I know that you know the history behind that. So tell us how that happened, why it happened, and then we'll see the clip as well.
The producer, Bonnie Kapoor, came to Viruji and he said that there is a train sequence. And till then, we had Sholay, which
Right.
is still the most iconic sequence according to
Correct.
me. And he said, I want something in India of that level
Right.
to be done with Indian technicians. Sholay was shot by foreign technicians.
Correct.
So, and he said, Viruji, that I want you to do a train sequence which is equivalent to what foreign technicians did in Sholay.
Right.
And that's how the Roop Ki Rani sequence happened.
Okay. Okay. Let's see it if we've got the sequence, and then we can.
Now what you see is a real shot which will be coming, and it's all about timing. It could have gone wrong also. Just see now what happens.
This is real.
This is real. How can we have CG in those days?
But that was Anil.
That was
That
a
was
duplicate
a
shot.
stunt guy.
That was a duplicate. Okay, now the sequence goes.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. The imagination was there. I mean, the idea was already
Yeah,
there. How much would this have cost in those days? I mean, I don't expect a number, but it would still be a sizable portion of
For
the,
those days, it was. I think Roop Ki Rani was the big
it
costliest
was the
film
most
by then.
expensive. Yeah.
So it was quite a lot. Yeah.
And how long would it have taken to
This is a
plan and
month.
shoot- A month. To shoot
Because
this
you need to
sequence.
understand when you shoot with a train. When I was doing Chennai Express, like
Right.
if there's a retake, it takes like the train has to come. It's not like a car.
Correct.
The train will go back, take its time. It's irritating also. You feel like pushing it, but you can't do anything. So every shot, if it's a retake, it takes 2 hours.
Right.
The chopper will fly, it'll come on coordination, correct timing. It can go wrong also. Then again, you have to do the same thing again at the
So
same
whoever
location.
the guy because of whom it's happened, the mistake must be getting really gali.
You can't help it. It happens. Yeah.
Wow. What is the level of safety that used to be practiced in those days?
Not that much. It was all like daring वाला आदमी है. That अरे ये तो जिगर वाला लड़का ये कर लेगा. That's it.